guys, welcome to Megato. Today I'm going to deal with a new concept of set and exercise solving of 1.3. So let's get started. So the first one is subset here. So subset is a brother of set. Let us consider a set that is A is equal to 10 and 2, where it has 4 subset. How can we know that how many sets are present in one set? So here one of the formula is given, that is 2 raised to n. So here n is the number of elements present in one set. So here element present is 1 2. So here we will write 2 raised to 2. So 2 square is 4. So number of subset having set A is 4. So we should get 4 subsets when we will take the subset of A. So here first set is null set. So every set has a null set. So every set is a part of a null set. So here null set is common here, and another here 10 is given, that is set 10 and set 2, and every set is subset of itself only. So here 10 comma 2 is subsets of itself only. So we got here 4 subsets. So as I said, so here 2 raised to 2 will be 4. So we got the 4 subset. So similarly, next one is singleton set. If the element having only one element, then it is called singleton set. So next is power set. So here we will consider an example, that is set A is equal to 10 comma 2. So here number of subset what we have here is 4. As same null set 10 comma 2 itself a set, 10 set and 2 set. So here subset is we have 4. So considering this all the 4 subset in one set is called power set. So power set of set A is called power set. So we will write the subsets as it is, and we will mark the flower brackets. So it is called power set. So we will move to the next one, that is universal set. So universal set, example set of natural numbers, set of integers, example. So set A is 0 1 and set B is 0 2 4. So universal set is consider which has both the set in one only. So here universal set we have 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 0 1 is here in set A is also present in universal, and set B is also present in set universal. So both the set present in one set is called universal, which contains all the elements in one set only. So related example of this we will study in the exercise 1.3. So the first question is make a correct sentence statement by filling the symbol subset and not a subset. So I forgot to say that the symbol of subset is this. So C, it's not C exactly, it is a inverted U here. So we will denote it by like this, and symbol of power set is P of A, and universal set is U. So in the first question they have asked to fill the gap. So here whether it is a subset or not subset. So here first one is 2 3 4 dash 1 2 3 4. So 2 3 4 is present in the set, another set, that is 1 2 3 4. So it is a subset. So we'll move to the next one, that is A B C and B C D. So here A is absent in this set, so it is a not subset of this. So third one is X such that X is a student of class 11th of your school, and X such that X is a student of your school. So here a student named Ram is studying in Lion School. So here Ram is a student of a school and is also a student of class 11th. So here he belongs to both here. So here it is a subset of this one. So here it is a subset. So fourth one is X such that X is a circle in a plane, and another set is X such that X is a circle in the same plane with radius of 1 unit. Here we will in this sentence we have a circle in a plane. We don't know how much, but it has the circle. But here where radius varies, but in another set, here they have given that radius has a same unit, that is unit 1. It has a radius of 1 unit. So here it may differ, so it is not a subset of the first set. So it is not a subset. So we'll move to the next one, that is x such that x is a triangle in a plane. And next set is x is a rectangular plane. So here triangle and rectangle, so there will be no match at all. So it is not a subset of the triangle. So next one is x such that x is an equilateral triangle in a plane, and x is such that x is a triangle in a plane. So triangle, here it is a equal, in one side there is all the triangles are equilateral, and another plane there are all types of triangle, but it is not a set of this equilateral triangle. So we'll move to the next one, that is x such that is an even number, and next set is x such that it is an integer. So even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, and integer is 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 plus or minus 4. So here 2 is present here, 3 is present here, 4 is present here, plus 4. So here it is a part of this set. So it is a subset of this one. So we'll move to the next question, that is examine whether the following statements are true or false. So we'll check whether it is a true or false. So here set A comma B does not belongs to set B C A. So here A and B are present here. So it is a subset, but they have given that it is not a subset. So this sentence is false. So next one is A comma C belongs to X such that it is a oval in a English alphabet. So we will convert it into roster form. So it will be a vowel of the English alphabet is A, E, I, O, U. So here, so A is present here, E is also present here. So it is a subset. So this statement is true here. So we'll move to the next one, that is 1, 2, 3 is a subset of 1, 3, 5. So here 1 is present, 2 is not present here. So it is a not subset of this. So it is a false sentence given here. So here A belongs to set A. Set A is a subset of A set A, B, C. So here A is present here. So it is a true statement. So similarly, set A belongs to set A, B, C. So here it is false. Why means here as we have studied in the previous exercise, that we will write belongs to like this. So set element A belongs to set A, B, C, but it is given in set form. So set A is not belongs, we will not write belongs to, we will write subset. Like this we use the symbol subset. When the brackets are not given, we will use belongs to. When the brackets are given, we will use subset. So here it is false statement. So next one is x such that is an even natural number less than 6, and next statement is x such that x is a natural number which divides to 36. So even natural numbers less than 6 is 2, 4, 2, 4. Less than 6 they have asked. So 6 it does not include in this. So 2 and 6 which in next set they have asked a natural number which divides 36. So 36 is divisible by 2, and 36 it is also divisible by 4. So it is a subset. So it is true statements. So we'll move to the next question, that is let set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, set 3, 4, 5, and which of the following statement and incorrect, why? Which of the statement is incorrect and why? They have asked which of the following in the given question is incorrect and why. So here set 3, 4 is a subset of A. So here 3, 4 it includes in the set A. So it but here set is given here, so they have used the symbol flower bracket. So here it is not a subset. Why means, see here, set A is set 1 belongs to A, set 2 belongs to B. When we will write this term, here it is already a bracket here used here, so we will write another bracket like this. It is belongs to set A. So when we will use this double bracket, then it belongs to set A. But here single bracket is used. It belongs to here. It belongs to here. Here set 3, 4 belongs to A. When we will write one, as we write here, 1 belongs to set A, 2 belongs to set A, 3 set 3, 4 belongs to A. We will write like this. When we will write in subset, we will write set 1 belongs to set A, set 2 belongs to set A. And similarly, when we will write this term, set 3 set of set 3, 4 is a subset of A. Like this we will write. So it is an incorrect. So similarly, this one, as I have explained, when we will write in this way, it will be belongs to A. So it is correct and it is incorrect. And third one is set O. As I said here, set of set 3, 4 is a subset of A. So here set of set 3, 4 is a subset of A, which is correct sentence. So here next one is 1 belongs to A. As I said, if we will write here, it is here flower bracket is not used. So here 1 belongs to A, which is belonging to A actually. So it is correct answer. So 1 is a subset of A. So as I said, when we are using this subset formula, so here flower brackets must and should be there. So here flower brackets are not used, so it is incorrect sentence. So we'll move to the next one, that is 1, 2, 5 is a subset of A. So 1 is present here, 2 is present here, 5 is also present here. Here it is a used subset, so formula is also correct here. So it is a subset of A. So which is correct statement. So next one is 1, 2, 5 belongs to A. So it is incorrect because belongs to a sign is used and flower bracket is also used. We should not use flower bracket when we use the sign belongs to. So it is incorrect. So next one is 1, 3, 5 which is a subset of 1, 2, 3 is a subset of set A, which is incorrect because here 1, 2 is a subset, but 3 it is given in set here. Set it is in a pair. Set of 3, 4 it is in a set form. When we will take this as set, it is not possible. So it is incorrect answer. So here psi belongs to A because here psi does not belongs to A because an empty set does not belong to set A here. Whereas an empty set is a subset of A. It is correct answer. So next one is psi is a subset of A. Here both the sign are used. We should use for the null set either this pi or this. Here they have used both the one. Here psi is also used, bracket is also used. So it is not a correct way to write it. So it is an incorrect statement. So we will move to the next one. That is write down all the subset of the following set. So we should write down the subset of the given problem, that is set A. So as I said, every set has a null set. So null set I have used pi, and every set is a subset of itself. So subset here A is a set A. So I have used, in the introduction, as I said, here one of the formula is given, that is 2 raised to n. So here 2 as it is, number of element is 1. So number of subset will be 2 here. So here 1, 2 we got. So it is correct answer. So similarly A comma B. So pi is null set is a part of set, and itself is a set. Two happened, and A and B. Next one is 1, 2, 3. Here 2 raised to n formula is used again. Here 3 elements are there, so the 2 raised to 3. So number of elements will be 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 subsets we have here. So null set and 1, 2, 3 itself, and 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 subset, which is equal to the calculated. So here it is done. So fourth one, it is pi. So pi null set. So null set itself is we have null set only, which gives only one subset. So we'll move to the next question, that is how many element has p power set of A if A is equal to pi. So here A is equal to pi. So power set of A, P of A is equal to bracket of P of A. So we have only one element. We will use this bracket. So here number of element we have only one. So we'll move to the next question, that is write the following as in interval. So we should write it in the interval. So I have not said it in the introduction part. So now I am going to explain this. So we'll move to the first one, that is x such that x belongs to real numbers. So where x is less than -4 and greater than or equal to greater than -4 and less than or equal to -6. So here one of the trick I am going to say that when less than or greater than sign is used, we should use the brackets, common brackets we should use. When less than or equal to, greater than or equal to a sign is used, we should use the bracket, square bracket. It is just a hint to remember, which make you easy. So here greater than sign is used, so we should use common bracket, -4 comma. Less than or equal to sign is used, so we should use square bracket here. So square bracket 6. Similarly, second one, x such that x belongs to real numbers, where x is greater than -12 but less than -10. So here less than sign is used, so common bracket -12 as it is, comma. Greater than sign, less than sign is used, so we will use the common bracket -10. Similarly, the next one, that is x such that x belongs to real numbers, 0 greater than or equal to x less than 7. So here greater than or equal to sign is used, so we should use square bracket 0 comma. Here less than sign is used, so we should use common bracket. So square bracket 0 comma 7 common bracket. So here next one is x such that x belongs to R, where x is greater than or equal to 3 but less than or equal to 4. So here both side greater than and equal to less than equal to sign is there, so both side square bracket is used, and the 3 comma 4. So we'll move to the next question, that is write the following interval in set builder form. So we have written it in the previous one in the intervals. Now we are going to convert the set builder interval into set builder form. So the first question is common bracket -3 comma 0 common bracket. So here we will here x such that x belongs to R is common to every problem. So x such that x belongs to R. So x, here common bracket is used, so greater than -3 and less than 0. So here we got the answer. So next one is similarly square bracket is used, so we should use greater than equal to less than equal to. So here x such that x belongs to R, 6 12 we will write as it is, so greater than or equal to x, less than or equal to 12. So similarly next one, here both common bracket as used, square bracket is used here. So here 6 6, 12 we will write as it is. So so common bracket is used here, so we will use this sign. So greater than sign, so greater than, and here square bracket is used, so less than or equal to 12. So we'll similarly minus square bracket minus 23, 5 common bracket. So here x such that x belongs to R, where minus 23 and 5 we will write as it is. So square bracket is used, so we should use the sign, we should use the sign greater than or equal to. So here greater than or equal to, here common bracket is used, so we should use less than sign. So here we have used less than sign. Here it is completed. So we'll move to the next question, that is what universal set would you propose for the following. So here the set of right triangle. So right triangle, so triangle, it is right triangle, it is the type of triangle, so it is the set of, it comes in the set of triangles. Similarly the set of isosceles triangle, so it is also one type of a triangle, so it also comes in the set of triangles. So both are universal set of triangles, so it is a part of triangles, so it is a set of triangles. So here we'll move to the last question, that is given the set A 1 2 3 1 3 5 and set B 2 4 6 and set C 0 2 4 6 8, which of the following may be considered as universal set for all three set, that is A, B and C. So we will combine this all set, so it will be 1 3 5 2 4 6 and 0 2 4 6 8. So here by combining all these three we should get this answer. So here we should consider the option given, 4 option given here. So here we will compare the first option. So 0 is given here, 1 is given here, 2 is also given here, 3 is also given here, 4 is also given here, 5 is also given here, 6 is also given here. But here I have written it in simple form. We should write it in the simple form, that is number of elements are repeated here, so we will write it in the simple form. So here 0 1 2 here repeated twice, we will write only once. 3, so 3 is only once. 4 it is repeated twice, and 5 6 7 is not given, and 8. So here we should get this. So here 7 and 8 is absent in this set. So here option first option is not considered. So we will move to the second question, null set. So null set, here it is completely a filled set, so it is second option is also wrong. So we'll go to the third option, that is 0. Here it is present 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, it is still here, and 2 of them are extra, but here it is a part of this set. So here third option is correct one. So here I have completed exercise 1.3. Hope you have understand and liked it. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to Megato.